Welcome. In front of me is an LG G8X, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, we will want to open up the standalone contacts app, which is located in the Essentials folder. And from here, tap on the three dots and go to the Manage Contacts, where you will have the option to import. When you tap on it, select from where you want to import it at the top right here. So we're interested from importing it from the SIM card. And then I have only one option, but if you are logged in, for instance, to like Google account, it would also be visible right here to sync it to the Google account instead of the phone. So I'm gonna stick with the phone anyway. Tap on OK, and then it will show you all the contacts that are located on that SIM card. Now, I know there's not very many of them, but you can select them by simply tapping on it. You can also tap right here to select all, and once you have selected whatever you want, or however many you want, tap on import, and there we go. Contacts now have been imported, and you can see that based on the fact that they are now double. So we have one on the SIM card, which is the one with the icon next to the letter. So this is on the SIM card, and if I were to remove it, half of them would disappear, while the one without any SIM icon would stay on the phone. So that's how you would import contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.